Don't like eggplant? It sounds like you haven't had it prepared correctly. It needs time. Be patient. If the eggplant is firm and spongy, it's undercooked. But if you cook it more, it will start to unlock its tender, luxurious, and creamy secrets. And if anything, gà tím hấp mỡ hành, or Vietnamese steamed eggplant, is my family recipe that does just that. And the best part is, my recipe will show you how to nail it every time. Link to the recipe in the description below. Eggplant is a vegetable that I absolutely love. It's incredibly versatile. You can bake it, you can fry it, you can steam it, you can do whatever with it. You name it, you can do it with eggplant. But did you know eggplant is high in fiber, low calorie, and it's rich in nutrients? Consuming eggplant has been known to help with blood sugar, reduce the risk of heart disease, and even weight loss. And has antioxidants such as vitamin A and C, which help protect your cells against damage. To make sure you get the best eggplant for your recipe, here are 3 tips. Food tip 1. The bitterness in eggplant has been bred out, so there's no need to salt it. Food tip 2. Chinese eggplant, the same varietal in this recipe video, are the least bitter compared to other varieties of eggplant. Food tip 3. Pick the firmest eggplant with no blemishes for the sweetest and creamiest eggplant. But that's just half of it. Equally important to the cooking technique are great ingredients to make a great meal. In search of the best eggplant, I journeyed to California's Central Valley, also known as America's Farm Belt, to connect with Wisher Young, a refugee Hmong farmer. Due to the Hmong's involvement and alliance with the American CIA, many Hmong, including Wisher's family, were forced to flee their homes to avoid persecution, deemed as traitors by the communist regime led by Pathet Lao. After fleeing Laos, Wisher would spend some time in refugee camps in Thailand prior to his resettlement in America. Due to language barriers and the lack of professional skills upon his arrival in the United States, his opportunities were limited. However, through the support of the Asian Business Institute and Resource Center, or ABIRC, in Fresno, Wisher was able to sustain a living for himself by farming specialty Asian crops such as Chinese eggplant. And it's my conviction that he has the best eggplant in California. This episode was made in partnership with the Asian Business Institute and Resource Center. Their efforts support socially disadvantaged Southeast Asian farmers in California's Central Valley. For more information on how to support the Asian Business Institute and Resource Center and farmers like Wisher Young, please see the link in the description below. All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode on Cooking with Chef 2. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, but most importantly, make sure you hit the bell at the top corner so that way you get a notification every time a new episode airs. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time on Cooking with Chef 2.